Presenting Samsung Galaxy M13 in midnight blue. It is also available in aqua green, stardust brown color variants. It comes with two different variants to choose from: 4 GB RAM with 64 GB storage and 6 GB RAM with 128 GB storage. The memory up to 12 GB RAM with RAM Plus and 64 GB ROM expandable up to 1 TB. The phone features dual Nano SIM with auto data switching. It has 6.6 inches FHD Plus LCD display with a resolution of 1080 into 2408 pixels and is equipped with 50 megapixel plus 5 megapixel plus 2 megapixel triple camera setup and 8 megapixel front camera. It comes with one UI Core 4 with a powerful Octa Core Processor and Android 12 OS. The phone is powered with 6000 mAh lithium-ion battery for a long battery life. The box includes the handset, SIM ejection pin, user guide, adapter and Type A to C cable. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.